So we're still in Fresno, California, the master bath shower area. We've got a growy valve in wall, and we've been out here before in these screens, built-in screens right here, and then it looks like a check valve on the back side of the new ones. They get clogged real fast, and then the flow slows down, or the hot goes away. Anyway, so those are just quick replacement, or you can certainly take them out and clean them in distilled white vinegar. But here's what we've got, and so they get clogged up pretty good. That was the cold one, and then actually they're a little different. You can see one on one side.
The one was broken.
Oh, okay. So you've got that. This one was pretty bad, I think, because this was on the hot side. So there's some chunky stuff in there. You know, we recommend the only thing you can do with that is put a filtration device in, or a spin down filter, or a twist clean filter. But the piping is for the main is in soil, and the valve's in soil. And so working on that, you could create a problem, and then you've got quite an extensive project on your hands. So, I'd just say replace these guys or clean these guys as you go. Keep them well lubricated with grease. We like to lube things up with the plumber's grease so that they're good while they're in there. And so we got it back together. We just wanted to take a video of this before we covered it back up to make sure that you've got no dripping in there. So you can see nothing but grease, no water coming out. This is the top nut down here. Not sure what those are exactly, but on the top right here, they just screw out. It's 11, 16, 17 millimeter socket comes out of there. And so they're both in there brand new, hot and cold, provided by the homeowner, and everything's good. We tested the water, and we got plenty of hot flow, which is what they're trying to accomplish. Outside of that, this installation is done.